Alright, here is a Casablanca low ceiling series. This is the twin to mine. It just doesn't have its original globe or blades. Instead, he put on these lovely Casablanca logo tip blades, which I am very jealous of. I have a set of white, but they are large. There's the LCA, tied it up there. This was a big surprise. Was not expecting this.
Yeah, go to the closet for a surprise, SpongeBob. Patrick SquarePants! Don't do that.
This is from 1985. This came from Craigslist down in DC.
Mm-hmm.
And that Saturn came from eBay, I think.
Yeah, it was some seller in Kentucky that had, I think, 3 of them.
Yeah. I totally missed my chance with one of those. But it's okay.
Matt Cody actually may have a pair of black and chrome Saturns he's selling at Fanimation.
Oh, did he tell you that?
Yeah. He told me when I bought the Windsor and Superfan from him.
I'm gonna have to hit him up about that.
Or rather the Comfort Flow and Superfan, both of them being Windsor.
So you plan on bringing a lot of cool stuff this time?
I think if you message him and ask him to, he'll do it.
Sweet.
He actually also has a pair of white and chrome Saturns I'm eyeing myself.
Oh, that is nice.
I'd go splitsies with you on that, because I'm sure he wants a lot, so if you want to each take one.
Sure. We all know and love Slumber 5. Also, I did not realize there was another room over there with the fan in it.
Yeah, the office is that room there.
Damn, that's already fucking flying.
That's the full speed?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Screws are loose. Yeah, thanks.
They seem fine. I don't think... Hold on. I'll edit that out. I don't think this globe is meant to be in this socket.
Yeah, that's true. It's way more narrow. That's true.
That's better.
Yeah, I think that's what it is that the fitter is way more narrow than the globe is way more narrow.
Alright, so I'll edit that out. A lot of turbulence in this room because of the size of it, so you can kind of hear the wind fighting itself.
Yeah. Usually I just leave that for speed.
My closet's way too skinny to have a fan in it.
Yeah. My closet at my other house was too. When I saw this closet, it was actually big enough to house a fan. I knew something had to go in here.
Oh yeah. There's the tag, by the way. Low ceiling series, it even has its own model number, 15. Alright, there is a Casablanca low ceiling series, Slumber 5.